Okay guys, if you saw my last video, Crazy Rain Part 2, did you guys see that? Well, this is Crazy Rain Part 3. I mean 2. I mean, the first Crazy Rain was Part 1. So, today, I'm going to go check on the pool. So, see how high this is. Guys. Oh. Okay, I gotta get inside. So, yeah, that was Crazy Rain Part 2. Oh. Crazy Rain Part 3 is not going to be out yet. Crazy Rain Part 3 is not going to be out for a while. Crazy Rain is not going to be out for a while, Part 3. It's not going to be out for like a while. So, yeah. Crazy Rain Part 2. Wait out for Part 3.